Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a La Puerta Police Department MLO by FiveM Store into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a table store of the FiveM shop. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. And this is a La Puerta PD which you are going to install into a FiveM server. The MLO will cost you around 45 euros. You just need to click over here and purchase the MLO. After downloading it, we just need to extract the files into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting them over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and behind me you can see this is the La Puerta PD which we just installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here, as you can see. So now let's get inside the MLO. So this is the entrance of the police department over here. And this is the reception of the police department. Now let's explore the department over here. So this is the reception area. This is the lobby, as you can see, and this is the training room. And there are some offices over here. And this is the conference room over here. This is the lobby number 2. And this is the armory of the police department, as you can see. And this is the cells over here. You can see there are a total of 9 cells in this department. And this is the mugshot room over here. And this is the backside garage. This is the interrogation room of the department over here, as you can see. So I'll be skipping some things because the department is very huge. This is the shooting range of the department over here. The department is very huge. You can explore the department by yourself after purchasing the MLO. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.